Hi friends, today I will show you an easy way to turn off safe mode without using the power button on Android. Full guide. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment a heart. First, go to your phone settings. Keep scrolling down until you find the accessibility section. Press on it. Now on this page, press on Interaction and Dexterity. Here, you will see an option called Assisted Menu. The Assisted Menu is a feature that adds a floating button on your screen. It gives quick access to common functions like volume control, taking screenshots, and navigating without using physical buttons. Simply toggle it on and allow the permissions if prompted. Now minimize this page. You will now see a floating button on one of the corners of your screen. Press on it. Once the floating button menu opens, scroll to the right or left side, and you will find the power off menu option. Tap on it and then restart your phone. This will turn off safe mode without using the power button. If safe mode turned off for you, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.